In this video, I'll show you how to update Telegram on PC quickly and easily using the Telegram desktop app itself. If your Telegram feels outdated, you're missing features, or you just want to make sure you're on the latest version, this is the simplest method to do it. And if this guide helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop on your PC. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where Telegram keeps all of its important settings and options. From the menu, click on Settings. This is where you can manage your profile, notifications, privacy options, and app preferences. After the settings page opens, look for Advanced and click it. The Advanced section contains extra tools and system options, including the update feature. Now, inside Advanced, you'll see the option to check for updates. Click that and Telegram will immediately look for the newest version available for your PC. If an update is available, Telegram will prompt you to download and install it. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and the app will update itself automatically. If Telegram says you're already up to date, then you're done. That means you're currently running the latest version of Telegram desktop on your computer. This is the safest way to stay updated because it uses Telegram's built-in update system, so you don't need to search online or download anything manually. If you don't see the update option right away, make sure you're using the desktop version of Telegram and not the web version. Also, after updating, it's a good idea to restart Telegram so all the new changes load properly. And that's how to update Telegram on PC in just a few simple clicks. Super quick, super easy, and no technical experience needed. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.